Hey guys, welcome back to KHALIA'S Cuisine. Today I'm making brown stew fish with soft boiled dumplings. If you enjoy watching real Jamaican authentic food, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave a comment down below. Let's cook. First, I'm going to start by washing and cleaning my parrot fish. Let's go. You want to do this to ensure that all the scales are off. Nice and clean. Now we're gonna rinse this with some lemon. After cleaning the fish, you want to ensure that you dry the fish. Very crucial step. So you just want to use some paper towel and dry the fish inside out, and I promise you your fish will be crispy. Less water, more crispy fish. So no water to your fish. Ensure that you pat dry the fish and get all the excess water off. So pat dry, keep drying. Inside out. Okay? Moving to the next step. I'm only gonna add salt and black pepper, okay? And you wanna add this inside out. Now it's time to fry the fish. You want the stove to be on high heat. We're gonna add the oil. Add in garlic. While the fish are frying, I'm gonna cut up my vegetable. Red bell pepper. You could just use one bell pepper, but I'm just using a lot of colors today, okay? After frying these beautiful fish, it's time to cook them up. I'm also going to take out some of the excess oil from the pot. To the pot, I'm going to add my vegetables. Saute for a minute or two. Add in my garlic. Add in about 2 cups of water. Now I'm gonna add scallion, thyme, pimento berry, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add some ketchup, about 1/4 cup. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of this seasoning, Caribbean traditional jerk seasoning. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of this. Okay, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Now we're gonna give this a good mix. My God, this smells so good. Even though I already add garlic, I'm still gonna add garlic powder. About a teaspoon. And I'm gonna leave all the measurement down in the description below, okay? Now we're gonna give us a nice taste. No, that's the Caribbean flavor. No, that's the Caribbean. That's the Caribbean flavor we are looking for right there. Stop. So now it's time to add the fish in. We're gonna add the fish to the sauce now. After about 15 minutes, looking good. Now I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna make the dumplings. I'm adding about 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, and this is refined cornmeal. To make the dumplings, you're just gonna use room temperature water. We're not adding all the water at once. So we're just adding the water gradually until the dough is formed. The dough is nice and firm. Now you can leave it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or you could go straight and put this into the pot. But I like to make my dough rest for a little bit. To my boiling water, I'm going to add salt. Now it's time to make the dumplings. You can make them big, small, medium. It's really optional in how you want to make them. But this is how I make them. So I'm just basically tucking it in like this. Then after I do that, I put it in my palm like this and then press it down. To the pot. Repeat this step until all the dough is finished. See, just like this. Ooh, what's wrong? You sure? So what's up? I got it coming home soon, okay? Last one. So see, we're just tucking and rolling around and around, round and around and around. And then we go down. And then you shape it however you want. Gonna add some coconut oil. This is not a must, but I want to. This is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna cut my plantain. Cut the ends off. And now I just cut them like this. All done. Now it's time to plate this up. The plantain, all done. And here you have it, guys. This is how I make my Jamaican brown stew fish with soft boiled dumplings and plantain. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.